Hey everyone, first we want to heat up our wok, add in our oil, and then our sliced red onions and chilies. I don't understand why they called it red onion even though it's purple, but anyway. Next we want to put in our dried shrimp, about 2 tablespoons. And you just want to cook this for about 1.5 minutes or so till it's nice and a bit more fragrant. Then lastly, add in our garlic, minced garlic by the way, because garlic cooks really quickly and you do not want to burn it. And then we're going to put in our 1-day-old rice. I'm using 2 bowls here. This makes about 2 portions, so this is really important that you do use a day-old rice. It is so important because it makes a big difference in the texture of your fried rice. It won't be mushy and gross. That's also a matter of whether you cook your rice properly or not. Not like that lady who, well, strained her rice and whatever. Anyway, next we're gonna put in 2 tablespoons about light soy sauce and pepper. That is all I use for my seasoning. You can add whatever you want accordingly, but this is how I do a simple nice fried rice. It's so effective and delicious. Here I'm adding butter or margarine and then the beaten eggs, making sure to scramble your eggs up till it's dry, then only mix it in with your rice. I use butter margarine. You might be thinking, but I had this at a teppanyaki restaurant, Japanese teppanyaki restaurant, and it's so good. So I'm implementing this in my kind of Nasi Goreng and Japanese garlic fried rice situation, and it's just delicious. Toss it a little bit more and we are gonna be done. That's it. Let's start our egg. Here I'm frying a fried egg. Well, I'm sure most of us know how to do this. I'm gonna have the sunny side up on a non-stick pan, and that's it. Plate it up, and there you have your delicious Nasi Goreng fried rice, my style. This is so good. Just remember, use a rice that's a day old is the best. If you like my videos, please do subscribe. See you in the next one.